Hello, welcome to the channel. So it is storming in Houston again. Shock. Not storming right now, but the water got pretty high last night. We started to think we might have to move stuff, but it ended up receding, which is good. But so I woke up this morning with a ton of anxiety, and sorry I'm recording on my phone because my camera's in the room and Big David is still sleeping because he was up till I don't even know what time watching the water, making sure we're all safe. But so this morning I've been trying to be proactive. Like, I woke up so anxious. I'm like shaking, my heart's racing. It's just nervous. But the kids kind of freaked out quite a bit, but we got them calmed down. And so today I've been working on cleaning up, not, getting stuff off the ground. So look at all this bubble wrap we have. Bubble wrap. We get a lot of Amazon packages. And then I just got this sparkling water, but it tastes like tonic water with flavoring, and that's not what I wanted. I wanted like yummy sparkling water. So if you know of any, let me know. But we're like stacking stuff up on chairs, the table. Apparently there's a thread outside. Whatever. Careful.
Well, can you put the dust back in?
Yes. Stormy day adventures continue.
Can I help?
Chili dogs for lunch. David was cleaning out my dishwasher thingy. So now I gotta fix that. Water. We just got everything going on here.
That's what we did last week.
Hold on, Sissy. What are you doing? She just filled up bags with water to put them in our freezers in case the power goes out. So we have water. I think it makes everyone feel better to be doing something, huh?
4 bags for each of us.
1 bag for each of us? Thank you, baby.
And I'll write names on them.
We have the big freezer you can put water in too, baby. Okay?
Yeah. There's not enough room in here.
Yeah, our freezers are pretty full.
I'll probably put this.
Except someone left our big freezer open and all of our meat went bad, huh?
Who?
Well, I was gone. I don't know. Someone left it open. That's why we can't have turkey or hamburgers or anything right now. We got to go meat shopping. So, continuation of our day. I've been trying to get my house more organized and just better. So we cleaned. We're cleaning the dishwasher filter. Gross. I've never done that. Did you guys know you actually have to do that? Because I knew, but I've never done it, and it's disgusting. Yuck. More fun adventures while it's rain. Well, it's not even raining yet, but it's supposed to start. But rain day, and it's clean. Look at that. Such an adult. So it is day 2 of storm watch. I don't know if you can see, it's raining. Can't see it that well. The pond's really full. You can hear some thunder. The kids want to see that the pond is full. They don't believe me.
It's really full. We're not going anywhere today.
Nope. All right, come on, back up.
Nowhere yesterday.
But it's not going to flood. I think we're good. You can see the water is barely pulling up right now. So the storm is picking up. You can hear the thunder, I think. You can see the rain on the pond. Definitely picking up. So while it's storming outside, we are gonna go ahead and try to
Clean the bathroom.
fix a problem
In the bathroom.
in Sydney's bathroom, Sydney and David's. It smells like pee. I have mopped, I have scrubbed, so we're gonna try an internet hack that we found, which is putting shaving cream at the base of the toilet. Maybe, you know, having a little boy potty training. We've leaked some pee, so we're gonna try. So Sydney is gonna spread it all along the edge of the toilet.
Over here?
On the very bottom.
Like
Yeah.
here? Like
Yes.
on the floor, kind of?
Yes, on the floor. It's going on the floor around the edges.
Okay.
Now we have little dude in here helping us because he's scared of the thunder. There you go. Here, let me help you real quick. Let me get it started. Here, let me get it started. You can't hold it straight down. That's why, baby. You gotta, like, angle it, okay? So there we go. We're gonna let that set for about 15 minutes and then we'll come scrub it. Scrub. So let me show you. Look. I don't even have to do this. My kids are doing it. You take it and I want you to like get really good around the edges of the toilet. Try to get the bristles like under the toilet, kinda, okay?
I'm gonna do everything I do in it.
Her hair's in the way of seeing. Yeah. Get the other side too.
You gotta do it now.
Oh, let brother do it too.
1 second.
Okay, let brother do some. All right, brother. Can you get back there where she didn't get?
I know it is.
Yeah, like over there. Good job, buddy.
After it's going to make slime.
Yeah, I don't know how you're supposed to clean this up though.
Yeah. With a towel?
Probably. Okay, let's just get a towel and wipe it all up.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Mommy's cleaning it. It's making a big mess.
No, it's okay. David, can you go get me another towel, baby?
Mom, I will get it wet.
No, just get me another little towel. I think that's all I need. So I thought about doing this myself last night, but I decided to let the kids help, and
Mama.
this is
Mama,
the results. Okay, wipe it up. Come on. There you go. Okay, you're right.
This is why I wanted to do it, because I knew it when to clean up.
Well, it definitely smells better. It smells like shaving cream, but I don't know if that's gonna, we'll have to see how it smells in a few hours, right guys?
Yeah, when it's done now.
Okay, dude, you want me to wrap it up?
Yes, I can clean.
Record. Now let's just wait and see.
Done.
It's too nervous right now. So we can see it's
Cut off Mama for a second.
it's raining a little bit.
Mama, can I take the camera and show them?
Yes, Sydney's gonna go show you because David's nervous. So we just did our makeup. I have to say we're in the bathroom.
Wait for me.
Okay, let's see if Sissy smells any pee.
Do I have to get down?
No, just do you smell any when you're standing here? Because I used to be able to smell standing here.
No.
No. Nope. Don't smell any. I think the shaving cream worked. Yes. All right. But storms did not flood. They're done. It's a beautiful sunny day outside today. So.
And have a great day. Peace.